Hey Davers, Alec here. I'm representing DAV at the Jefferies Automotive and Smart Transportation event. We got here the biggest names in the industry, from OEMs to ride-hailing apps and different mobility companies. The event is super interesting. I've been sitting in very interesting panels talking about DAV also to different members of the community, and there's going to be a lot of interesting partnerships and potential, outbound work from this event. So stay tuned, have a great day, and enjoy your weekend. Bye.
Hey guys, yesterday I worked on integration examples for an Australian delivery company we're partnering with, and today, as we're getting really close to the network launch, I tested the drone charging and the route planning utilities using DAV tokens on our testnet, and it's really exciting. So we're getting very close to the finish line, so stay tuned and I'll keep you updated. Bye bye for now.
Hey DailyDAV, what's up? So yesterday I made the rough cut for the Australian video for Slipstream and showed it to the team, so I got some feedbacks, and today I managed to do those changes and released it, so it's up and running. You should definitely check it out right over here. After that I edited the DailyDAV, and for the rest of the day I'm gonna start working on Joe's interview. He was interviewed for a simulation YouTube channel not long ago, and so we're gonna make something out of that. So stay tuned, see you next time.
Good morning. We're going to try to get the entire set of components into staging, running up, and all set up with the Ethereum network today. I'll tell you how it went tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Hey gang, so today I've been working on a press release for that fantastic agreement that GNOME secured down in Australia with Slipstream. They're the guys who are in the logistics and shipping business, and they're integrated heavily with some of the bigger players down there like Australia Post. And they'll be working with the DAV token, so we're very excited about that. Also been reaching out to some of the existing DAV Alliance partners that we have, and that's it for me today. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, today I will start new task. I'll make design new site for partners logistic. I'll plan make in light color, blue, light gray and white. Today I'll make home page, and after then I'll start other pages. Have a nice day and see you tomorrow.
Hey guys, welcome to my DailyDAV. I'm just wrapping up final meetings here in Hong Kong with a company that deals with regulation and laws with ICOs in Southeast Asia. And later today I'll fly back to Sydney, where I'll be planning to meet with our new logistics partner. Thank you.